shop. How can I? Whatever.
Abdullah, it's time for Quran.
Okay, I have Quran lesson. I have to leave. Give me the birdie. So you guys also leave your stuff and get ready for the Quran class.
بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. السلام عليكم. Read Al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 16 on Ghunna part 1. Ghunna type 1. If there is shadda on noon, then you have to recite it with Ghunna. Wait, what is Ghunna? Ghunna means two things. One, a sound must come through your nose while reciting Ghunna. And two, you must stretch the sound twice. So let's take an example. So in this word, there is noon and on it is shadda. So we must recite it with Ghunna. And Ghunna is two counts. Now let's practice reading words having noon with shadda. And remember, repeat after me twice. أنه. Over here there is inverted dhamma on he, so we must stretch the sound twice also. أنه أنهم إن. So over here there is alif med after noon with shadda. So you must stretch the ghunna twice and the alif med twice. Inna. إنما إنه إنهم إنك إني إنكم كنا جنات جهنم ولكن. So that's all for now. This lesson was very easy, right? I hope you understood it. If you didn't, then watch this lesson over and over again so that you can get a good practice of it. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.